Hi everyone, it's me again, Francis. This week's featured feature comes from Team CDC. Their artwork and immersive flyers for their land represent some great creative thinking and ingenuity. To introduce this week's task, here's D'Angelo.
Your challenge this week is to come up with a daytime show. Daytime shows include stage productions and parades and involve hundreds of hours of work over many different disciplines. We wanted to give your teams the opportunity to cover a variety of fields within the themed entertainment industry. This week we'll be focusing on your shows, costumes, structural design, and interactivity. By Friday, May 22nd, please submit an actor's costume design, a structural or parade float mechanism design, and a way for your guests to interact with your show. We'll also need a brief explanation of your show's story and pretty much how it runs. First up is costume design. Your show will need characters, and costumes are the way to bring them to life. Your first task is to design the costumes for your show. In a typical stage production, that would mean designing costumes for every single character and every single costume change. However, we'll only be asking for one costume design. You can either focus on costuming a single character or an entire ensemble. Either way, your costume should represent the culture and complement the story you're creating.
Hey guys, welcome to your next challenge. So, as has been talked about, we are designing some entertainment offerings for your land here in the park, and a lot of that has to come with some unique engineering challenges. So, for the engineering part of this challenge, we'd like you to consider how some of your objects, whether it's a parade float or a moving set piece in your stage production, might tip over. Tip over is one of the major concerns for designing some of these themed entertainment props that move in stage productions and floats. So we want you to take some time to think about how you can determine whether or not your designs are safe against tipping over. Now, we're going to start you off by letting you think about this for about 2 days on your own. But on Sunday, we're going to send out another video as well as a spreadsheet to help you verify those design calculations, and for our non-engineer friends, give you a baseline for what you should be thinking. So for now, take a second to think about how your designs might tip over and endanger guests or performers, and on Sunday, you'll get some more guidance about how you might approach those calculations.
Over the past couple of decades, personalization and interactivity have become very important parts of the theme park experience. Whether it's through magic bands, personal wands, guest participation, or attraction gamification, today's guests seek to immerse themselves in stories like never before. While it's absolutely true that not every show needs to be interactive, this week, your show will need some way to interact with the audience. Be creative with this. There are tons of examples out there of interaction with park shows, like bringing guests to dance in parades or having guests vote on the outcome of a story. You'll need to design some sort of interactivity to incorporate into your show. Beyond that, it's up to you. Find the best way to present your ideas and let us know by May 22nd at 5 p.m. As a reminder, your tasks are to design a costume set, design a parade float mechanism or stage, and to invent a way for guests to interact with.